Hey, 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 how are you? I am here today to talk about an upcoming credit challenge. Building credit is not the same as repairing credit. So, I am going to be doing a free class where I'm going to be talking through what are some ways that you can build your credit and what are some things that you can do to repair your credit. Again, keep an eye out. That free class is going to be in September, but I wanted to give you a heads up so you can start thinking about all the things you want to learn about credit. What is credit? Is it the same as credit scores? Not quite. Credit, what is that? We're going to talk about credit. We're going to talk about credit scores. We're going to talk about the different ways that you can get your credit scores and all the things related to credit. In the meantime, if you have a question about credit or credit scores, you can put them in the chat under this video when it's released, and I will make sure to include that in the class. So look out again for the class coming in September, a free class on credit. I will share the link where you can sign up for that class. Until then, take care. This is Dr. Sev with Dr. Sev Talks Money.